They're very, very young clusters of stars that are still forming. So they're enshrouded in these cocoons of gas and dust. These yellow balls are kind of like snapshots of very early stages in the formation of star clusters. And that's important for two reasons. One, we know that stars form with planets, and two, we know that stars form in the company of lots of other stars. Yellow balls are mostly in the plane of our galaxy. That's where most star formation occurs. That's where cold, dense clouds that produce stars are located. And when I say dense clouds, I mean large nebulae of gas and dust that are about 100 trillion times less dense than the density of air at the surface of the Earth. So dense has a very different meaning in interstellar space, but these clouds can still be pulled together by gravity to form new stars. They're roughly 100,000 years old, so these are very, very young. We're catching them at an early stage where the stars are still sucking in mass, building up mass from their environment. And that's what makes them so interesting, because they're still in their birth clouds, so we can see how they develop over time. In 2016, we actually launched a new version of the Milky Way project where we had citizen scientists identify these so-called yellow balls throughout our galaxy. And so by 2017, we had a catalog of over 6,000 of these across our galaxy. There was a cast of about 10,000 citizen scientists that first identified all of the objects that were the topic of our research for this paper. So we have to credit them, because without them, the research wouldn't have been possible.